This time we take a look at Yamaha's 2023 range as it appeared at Motorcycle Live. Now it has to be said that Yamaha once again brought a comprehensive range to Motorcycle Live. Everything from scooters of all shapes and sizes, from 50cc mopeds all the way up to maxi scooters, and then to a range of classic styled bikes, fairly modern naked street bikes and sports bikes. Yamaha's R range runs from R125, 300 and the new R7 of course. This machine's surprisingly sporty though. Bit extreme.
No way, at my age I could ride this for long.
It does look a bit extreme, doesn't it? It's a pretty bike, but I think it's too much, isn't it, really? What's it on that? I don't think it's the 125.
No,
it's a 300.
It's pegs are higher.
Yeah.
And
It's feel uncomfortable.
so it'd have to be, it could go at low speeds for very long. The shoulders and wrists stop a bit.
Yeah, I think it needs to be a bit shorter to carry on with one of these.
Yeah.
Finish is nice. I mean, the finish on these yokes is very good.
It looks pretty. Tanks look too
Yeah, looks good. I mean, it's a pretty looking bike actually.
Touch the floor, no problem. Flat-footed.
Yeah, that's good. The Naked range uses a full gamut of engines, singles, parallel twins, 3 cylinders, and even the awesome R1 4-cylinder motor, which makes a hell of a racket.
Seating position isn't bad.
Not bad.
It feels a bit firm.
Oh, that's seat
Seat's a bit
firm. Yeah. Again.
Touch the floor.
Yeah. Oh, that's good. Thousands. These have got the R1 motor on. What's it like? Alright?
Seating position.
Okay, yeah. Yamaha's take on the modern retro is of course based on the MT range. I'm really not sure about the seat on this particular bike, but I'm loving that retro RD-like paint job. Just like the MT range in which they're based, they use a full range of single cylinder 125, parallel twins of 300 and of course 700, and of course that lovely 900 triple. That's what you mean. Well, I do hope you enjoyed that video. If you did, don't forget to like and subscribe, and of course, thank you very much for watching.